Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your British Cash account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, and on the search bar, click in over there and type in britishgas.co.uk like this and hit enter, or you can simply just search for British Gas login. And on the first page you will see the login to your account, britishgas.co.uk. Click over there. Over here also is the same page, and you can see the login option available over here on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the login option, and both are the same page loading over here. Let's close one. You can see from the website. And after you get on this page, you can see the email address entry box. Enter your email address over here and click continue. Next, on the next page you will find the password section. Enter your password and you will be able to log into your British Cash account. And there guys, this is how you log into your British Cash account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.